Okay, we're going to heat this case up with a rosebud. So you see the crack here? It goes to the top, but it's pretty much ends right there. It looks like it might be over here a little bit where the hole is. The hole's right over here, right there. So, but I bet you it's going to go all the way up now after we heat it up. We'll see. So if you concentrate putting a lot of heat right here and not here, this will expand more than this and keep that crack tight. If you put too much heat here, it'll pop it there.
Oh.
So you gotta heat the outside edge. Same goes for over all this stuff. You want to heat this up to here before you start heating the base, because that way this will expand more than down there. Eliminates cracking. Otherwise you have a lot of cracking issues. Cracking is not good.
Not good at all.
It's already cracked, but also you got to turn your torch or your gases before it works. But you don't use nearly as much gas when it's off.
Right.
In case you didn't know.
Save the environment.
Heat up the stuff you want back to there first. Kind of move around the other areas of my break. This is really thick to here, it won't break through here. Also breaks around the back edge there. Down low. Up here again. Starts smoking, it's getting hot. And smoking it.
Making that distance there.
Of course. Too much pressure for the hole is blowing it up. Pushing back in. Tip's probably dirty too. If you don't have enough oxygen here, they'll start doing it also. Speeds up the blend. And down underneath here, there's no oxygen, so it's cool it a little bit. That's why the crack ain't got no bigger. Got a crack starting to get lower, you can see it, and the oil's coming out of it. Trying to get this area warmed up to get that shaft out and the bushes. The bush is probably going to come out of the shaft. That's okay. All these parts are rusted solid in here, so heat contraction with a little bit of lube on there will break the rust loose. think the aluminum too much is melt. That's what you do, you put carbon on it. When you burn the carbon off, you know you're getting hot. Carbon melts at 900. Aluminum melts at high 11s, low 12. Hanging out there?
Nothing to it.
It's starting to smoke, see it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's heated. Very good. Carbon over there, see that? This is pretty dry, not much oil in it. That's why it's not smoking. It's hot. When the shaft's all blue and yellow, that means it's 600 degrees, 700. Burning all the torch stuff up. So that's how you heat a case up without breaking it anymore, see? Crack hasn't moved up any. Okay, this expanding mandrel for contracting, I should say, let's call it, for having a hole in the shaft. Let's see if it'll come out. Hold on to this high temperature glove. See the rusty shaft coming out?
Look at that.
That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. See, the bushings come out slightly. We just tap it back in, it'll be fine. So we saved the bushing. Now, if we didn't cut that end off, it would have had a big gouge all the way out through the bushing to pull it out. It would have never done it. It would have locked the damn thing in there on you. I don't know why they ground that big groove in there for oil. It's ground in there pretty hard. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm shocked that came out that easy. That's pretty good. See? Call it, or dowel pin puller is what this is. Of course, good oil pump shafts too. Now we got a lot of heat on that case. I maximized the heat. That'll give me my best advantage of getting that thing out of there. Now we're going to try to pull these studs out without breaking them. I'll give that about a 20% chance. Usually when studs are rusted in, they snap off before they come out. So that 20% was not coming out. So the key is going back and forth. You have to move it all. Move it. But it'll lock up if you do it. Don't put some lube in there. Of course, as hot as this case is, it's going to burn the lube up instantly, but let the gravity help us. Wax works real good for that too. It only wants to move right where it is, that's it.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to move anymore. The case is really hot. So that's a plus and a negative on the situation. I know some wax I picked up recently. I'm trying to remember. A can of paste wax, remember seeing that anywhere?
I do not.
I picked some up somewhere. I found some in the mountains or somewhere. Of course, I put it right where I can find it. Yeah, the old Johnson's paste wax works great. Any kind of a wax will go in there. It melts and goes right in there. It's real thin, so it goes inside. I'm not seeing any of it at all. Great. Let's see, what's that over there? A can of something over there. Oh, that feels heavy too. This is not Johnson, this is Trimax. Oh, it's perfect. Hear it? That's wax.
Sounds perfect.
That's the good stuff. That's the stuff we're looking for. Now, I'm not sure how old this can is, but I think we can safely say it's probably in the 60s. Oh, I don't know. That's got a towel in there. That's not what I want to see. I mean, there's probably parts in there, not wax. Oh, that was a polishing towel. Well, they were going to town. There you go. That's what I want. I want that rag. That's the good. Smell it too. That's like lemon flavor.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that is some weird wax. That is. Johnson's more yellow and hard. This is kind of more soft. See how it just sucks that crap, liquefies it. Put that on anything you want to come out. See, all these studs are all broken off already?
Yeah.
Because they didn't adequately pull them out. Yeah, we can be wasted. We got a lot of it here. I can say that now because I have a lot.
Right.
I ran out for a while. Yeah, I found this somewhere. I forget where I found it. I was happy. I will never wax my car, but I'll wax my broken my studs before I break them. No, it didn't work very well. Slid right away.
How long will it take for the case to cool?
It's pretty warm. You keep putting crap like this on, it cools quicker. You got the other front of this thing over here too, remember? It's all rusted. Not that hot anymore, but it's still warm. Dowel pin, I'll pull out that dowel pin too. Usually takes multiple applications, but all you gotta do is have a little bit of a gap to let the stuff go in. And and it will go in. It's like magic. It frees up. You have to stop that galling. If it sticks, you're done. And when it's squeaking, it's trying to stick. It's hot. These are good for 500 degrees, but the case is still warm. A thicker glove will hold things better. If it's squeaking, it hasn't got into the inside yet, where it matters. You go back and forth and it gets more and more distance, but I've had them lock up. Once they lock, you're done. Let's go a bit further.
Yep.
Put lube in it. Oh, that's it. Too much. So that was 80%. I was right.
There you go.
It was going to break.
Good job.